How high is the water, Mama?
We're outside of Pelster, Arkansas. Look at this.
How high is the water, Papa? She said it's 2 feet high.
Oh, there's a gravel road down there.
But we can make it to the road.
Hope nobody comes.
That's the only thing we
Let's go up here and look at the water real quick.
It's already over all the
I'll put in here what it is. Oh, people are swimming down there. It's not. Look how pretty this creek is.
How high is the water,
Yeah, people's down
Mama?
there. Here we go.
3
Look.
feet high and rising. How high is the
Water's
water,
amazing.
Mama?
Look at that.
Said it's 3 feet high
Yeah,
and
look at the pretty bridge.
rising. Well, the hives are gone.
Picture of the
I lost
bridge
my
here.
bees. Chickens are sleeping in the willow
Look how pretty it
tree.
is.
Cows in water up past her knees. 3 feet
That is
high
pretty.
and rising.
There's people swimming.
How high is the water, Mama?
It's even going that way.
4 feet high and rising.
Pretty cool.
How high is the water, Papa?